Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix draw option not showing on Instagram. So if you are not showing the draw option features in your Instagram app, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to check for Instagram app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Instagram and tap on it. And if you see any update available for your Instagram app, then update it, and then you can launch it and then check if the draw option feature is showing or not. Second fix is to switch account. There are some users who have reported that they have the draw option on their alternate account but not on their main account. So switch your account and then check if the draw option is showing or not. And the last solution is to wait until the draw option feature is rolled out to you. Instagram has announced the draw option feature on 23rd October 2025 and hence the feature is new. It's gradually being rolled out. So you must wait until the Instagram rolls out the draw option to everyone. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.